when Aditya wrote the film, he definitely felt I need for these 6 characters, 6 newcomers. We started taking tests for various boys and girls, and we narrowed down on these 6 boys, 3 boys and 3 girls. All of them are very dedicated, committed, and they fit the role very well.
Hi, I'm Uday Chopra. I play Vicky in Mohabbatein. Vicky is basically a very happy-go-lucky kind of guy. He sees the world through rosy-colored filter, and he has his ability to have fun wherever he goes, and every time, wherever he is, he sees life as, from going from one happy moment to the other happy moment. Beyond that, also Vicky is a little over the top. He's in your face, and the reason he's like that because he always wants your attention. I think out of the 3 boys, Vicky's the one with the testosterone, He loves girls, and the way he looks at girls is a very schoolboy way, He still has that mystery about them. Even the first time when he first sees Ishika, the way he looked at her was like, I remember Adi telling me that, you have to look at her like as if like, oh God, these are girls, like, shit. Ishq.
Hi, I'm Shamita Shetty, and I play Ishika Dhanrajke in the film Mohabbatein. When I got this offer, I was very happy because I've always loved Yash Chopra films, and to do my first film with Adi was like a dream come true. And the fact that there are 3 girls in the film didn't really disturb me because each character is really strong.
शायद तुम जानते हो कि पिछले 3 सालों से मैं ये डांस कॉम्पिटिशन जीतती रही और इस साल तुम जैसे इडियट की वजह से मैं हारने वाली नहीं हूँ। तो अगर तुम लोगों के सामने अपना मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहते हो, चुपचाप से चल जाओ।
When I was first finalized for this film, I didn't really know which role I was doing. So we kind of rehearsed a few scenes and, songs. And we did this workshop with Barry John for like 15 days.
I am Anand Yadav from UP. मेरा भेलपुरी का स्टॉल है।
मेरे सैंडविच में तो मस्का नहीं लगाया।
Keep your beats clean.
Keep your beats clean.
Keep your beats clean. Clean.
I'm Jugal Hansraj and I'm playing Sami Sharma in Mohabbatein. In many ways, I think the character is very similar to the way I would be in real life. Quite a shy person. He's a guy of few words, and he takes time to open up with people, and he's also very passionate about what he believes in. Working with Shah Rukh was a brilliant experience. I mean, he's an actor I really admire, and I watch all his films, and always feel when I see his films, I wish I can be even half as good as he is. So when we actually got a chance to work with him, he was great. He also never made us feel, all 3 of us guys, that he was the biggest star. He was always very helpful. There are actually 2 scenes in the film where I was supposed to be very emotional, and this was one of them. Both the scenes I did not have to try to be, because he just came, and the way he said those lines, I just got tears in my eyes because of the way he said them. I remember him asking Adi, "Is Jugal supposed to cry so much in this scene?" I said, "I can't help it, the way he's acted the whole scene out." These tears just kept dropping. I mean, he did it so well. So having an actor like him in front of you is a major help.
I'm good now.
You're the best, sir.
When I first heard Shah Rukh and Amitabh were in the film, my first reaction was, but okay. Hi, I'm Kim and I'm playing Mohabbat. Hi, I'm Kim and I'm playing Sanjana in Mohabbatein. Mohabbatein is like the first love. It's like you never forget your first love. For me, this is my first film, so I probably will never ever forget it. And it's been the center of my life for the past 1.5 years now. I'm sure all my co-stars will agree with that. I think my greatest weakness is being moody. And that's something that I definitely have to overcome. There are times when I let my moods come over me, and there's certain times when, I don't want to do anything and I just don't want to do anything. But in that way, I would thank Adi, because Adi is one person who has made me want to perform for him. There have been times when I've been just basically moody, and I have seen Adi reading out a scene to me and I have cried because he's done it so well, and I can see that, he really knows what he's doing and he wants me, that's what he wants out of me, and those moods have just vanished.
Sameer Sharma? Oh my God, it's you! I don't believe this! तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
Cut. Very nice.
Hi, I'm Jimmy and I'm playing Karan in Mohabbatein. Karan is basically a young guy, but he is very strong, probably because he's been through a lot in his life, and which is obviously not shown in the film. And he understands situation in a much more logical way. He has a very practical approach towards everything, and how he falls in love. Well, before I started hearing the script, I was always like, this guy has made, that's Adi, has made Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, and I was very keen to know what he's going to make next, because I thought that how is he going to live up to Dilwale, because Dilwale happens to be my favorite film ever. And when I heard the script, I was amazed. I had no words. I don't think I have done so much before the shooting of a film has started, whatever little work I've done. It's been like right from dance to scenes to rehearsals of songs and everything like that. I don't think I've ever done it before.
आप हमेशा डॉक्टर ही बनना चाहती थी?
मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ।
ओह, तो आप इस हॉस्पिटल में नर्स होंगी, हैं?
मैं यहाँ काम नहीं करती। ये अस्पताल मेरे बाबूजी ने बनवाया है और इस कमरे की सजावट मुझे सौंप दी है। तो बस तभी से इन बच्चों के साथ कुछ वक्त बिताने यहाँ आ जाया करती हूँ।
तो आप करती क्या हैं?
कुछ नहीं। Hi, I'm Preeti and I play Kiran in Mohabbatein. Kiran is a girl who is, she's actually a very young girl. She's like any other normal teenager, and she has the same dreams and aspirations and desires of any other normal teenager. But it's just the circumstances in life which make her a little subdued. My character involved classical dance, so I had a lot of classical dancing to do. Early in the morning at 7, I trained for 8 months, and I think it helped me tremendously. Mohabbatein is a story of 3 young loves. And I think it's a very original concept and a very new idea. And I hope it'll make you all laugh and it'll make you all cry. And you'll love all the characters.
से हो न जाए।
ये एब्सोल्यूट न्यू कमर्स तो लगते ही नहीं हैं। मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि ये बहुत ही मंझे हुए, सालों से काम करते हुए कलाकार हैं और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। अच्छा इस बात के लिए लगा क्योंकि ये जो नई पीढ़ी है, और पीढ़ी की बात मोहब्बतें में कई बार आती है, ये नई पीढ़ी जो है ये आने वाली नए युग की पीढ़ी है, और जो पुरानी पीढ़ी है मुझ जैसे बूढ़ों के लिए उसे पार करते हुए ये आगे बढ़े और तरक्की करे, यही हमारी शुभकामना है।
I wish them all the best because they are very sweet. Jugal, Uday and Jimmy I got to know, but Jugal and Uday I've known personally for some years now. And I'm very fond of them, especially Uday. I think he's completely whacked out and sweet. The boys are really eager to please and they really want to do very well in the film. And I think this eagerness and this anticipation of seeing themselves on a big screen is going to work in their favor.
Action! Vicky! Good morning.
While the girls look very pretty, they look very sexy actually, whatever shots I see of them. I wish them really all the best and I'm sure they'll do very, very well.